Hello everyone. Hope you are all well at home. Stay inside. Don't go out. Today, see, it is raining at my place and I love rain. So, I am happy from my inside. And I thought I will teach you a poetry today. Yes, a poetry. The Road Not Taken, which is written by Robert Frost. It was published in 1916 in the collection of poems written by Robert Frost, and the name of the collection is Mountain Interval. The poem starts, or the setting of the poetry is in front of a wood. The poem has been started in this way. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So the speaker or the poet is in front of a wood where the road had diverted or divided or diverged in two parts. And the roads just entered towards the wood. And what is the color of the wood? It is yellow, which denotes the season of autumn. Because he is a single person, so obviously he could not travel both the road. Yes, he couldn't go towards both the road, so he had to select one. So there he stood for a long time, thinking which road he should take. The first one, which just went beneath the undergrowth. Undergrowth means the bushes. So first road which he can see, that just went and invisible towards undergrowth. जहाँ तक उनको दिख रहा था उसके बाद ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो झाड़ियों के पीछे वो रोड कहीं ना कहीं छुप गया है. या फिर हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि जब हम एक लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस तक देखते हैं, एक सर्टेन डिस्टेंस के बाद, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट वाज अ वुड, इट वाज अ जंगल और फॉरेस्ट, तो जंगल में आपको दूर तक रास्ते खाली आंखों से नहीं दिखेगा. सो इट इज अ सिचुएशन when the poet has reached in front of a wood where the road had diverged into two parts. Now in the second stanza he is telling, then Luke took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had owned them really about the same. So first road he has told about the first road in the first stanza. In the second stanza he has described us about the second road or the second part of the road. He told that both the roads somehow were looking same, but it was more clean, grassy. That means it was less traveled. Okay, so the first one is more traveled, or people usually use the first one as the poet understood from the road, and the second one, it is less used or less traveled by the people. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now the poet is describing that on that particular morning when the poet has reached in front of the wood, two roads, they looked same. Both were covered with untrodden leaves. And what does untrodden leaves means? सूखी पत्तियाँ पेड़ से गिरने के बाद वो रोड को कवर किया हुआ है. अनट्रोडन मीन्स उनके ऊपर से कोई चल के तब तक नहीं गया. द पोएट हैज रेज्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ मॉर्निंग, उनके पहले वहाँ पर और कोई नहीं गया होगा और किसी ने उपपत्तियों के ऊपर से चले नहीं होंगे. दैट्स वाई द लीव्स वेयर अनट्रोडन. सो ऑन दैट मॉर्निंग 2 roads were equally covered by leaves. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. The poet has told in the third stanza, oh, I kept another for another day. I kept the first for another day. That means the first one. That means which was more travelled, जिसमें ज़्यादा लोग चलते हैं, उनको देख के ऐसा लगा. That road he would take and on another day. वो रोड में उन्होंने सोचा कि कभी और दिन और वो उस रोड से वो जाएंगे. But he chose for the less travelled one. That means the second one. Though he was also having doubt whether he will be able to use the first or more travelled one road. And he also said after ages with sigh, that with a deep breath, maybe or might be he will tell that I have chosen the less travelled road. That means that was not usually used by the people. That was my decision to take the road, and that make my life different from others. So here the poem ends. Now, what does the poet want to tell us through this poetry? The poet was on a certain situation when he has to take a crucial decision. In our life too, it happens sometime we had to take a crucial decision. We are bound to take a particular decision when there are many choices, but we have to choose a single thing. And that decision, that choice can make our life or can ruin our life. So students, you have to be very careful also for taking the decision in your life. The poet was adventurous in nature. That's why he has taken the second road, which was less traveled, जिसमें लोग ज़्यादातर usually नहीं जाते हैं. जिस रोड में या फिर जिस वे में लोग यूजुअली जाते हैं वो रोड फॉलो करना हमारे लिए इजी होता है, आसान होता है. बट रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट हैज़ डन डिफरेंट. उन्होंने चैलेंज ली, रिस्क लिए. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ क्रूशियल पॉइंट और अ मैसेज थ्रू बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट दैट समटाइम्स इन आवर लाइफ वी हैव ऑल्सो to take some risk that can be well for us, cannot work also, but sometimes we have to take risk also. So here at the end we just learned that in our life there are certain period or certain time when we have to take decision, and yes, we are bound to take that. That's all. Thank you.